my channel. So if you're new, hi, my name is Celine. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I would truly and greatly appreciate it. It's the red button somewhere around here or here. It's absolutely free. YouTube won't charge you, and I most certainly will not charge you. So please join my family. Let's have fun. Let's enjoy this YouTube ride together. So anyways, guys, today I'm coming to you with a makeup tutorial. I have a hair tutorial that is ongoing too in the process. But anyways, yeah, so this is the makeup version of the tutorial, and yeah, so for this makeup tutorial I'm going to be using a few new products I'm going to be incorporating some new products into my tutorial. So once in a while I'm just going to come and tell you what I've used and stuff like that, so you guys are introduced to some of the things that I'm going to be using for this tutorial. Let's get started.
You'll meet me at home when I'm lost and out of focus, and you don't know where the road is. I still know you'll meet me at home. Meet me at home. When I can't decide and the fear leaves me blind, you always will lead me through. If you need me at the wrong time, throw it all out by the wayside.
Okay guys, so I just wanted to tell you what I just used on my face. So I went to there's a new fair that came out in Lagos. It's called the Skincare Fair. Basically they have like skincare products and stuff like that. So I really wanted to shop for something skincare this time around from the fair brand. So I found this brand, the Natural Clear Skin Garnet, the Natural Clear Skin. That's actually, I think that's their name. I'm going to put their name if that's not their name, but yeah. So they introduced me to their Garnet Face Toner Cleansing. So apparently it's a face toner that contains rose water and vitamin C, and I've always wanted something that has vitamin C inside. I actually want to start incorporating like vitamin C into my skincare, so I'm hoping to get a vitamin C serum soon. So but anyways, I was intrigued by this one. So it's a spray toner. So basically you're supposed to like apply it on a cotton pad and wipe face morning and night. So yeah, I'm going to just use it for a while and see if it does anything. But so far, like, I like the glow. Like, my skin is just from wiping my face with it, my like skin feels like really soft and glowy. You guys see? So that's cool. I like that. So anyways, for today's tutorial I'm just going to be using a bunch of different products and stuff like that. So okay guys, so I'm going to be doing my brows off camera today, but sorry there's a little bit of echo. I'm actually in a new space in my house, so I'm trying to see, I'm not filming in my room today. Usually all my videos I film in my room, and my room has a lot of stuff, so it doesn't sound like empty. But this time around I decided to film in another part of my house because I'm trying to see if filming here would be better, and I like the lighting in this room. I think the lighting is like super bright, so yeah, I'm trying to see how filming in this place would be. But anyways, yeah, that's why my voice sounds like it's echoing in a way, and I'm not using my mic today. So yeah, but anyways, I'm going to do my brows off camera. But for my eyebrows today, I'm going to be trying this new eyebrow pencil I got from the fair too. This is the OA Cosmetics. This is the OA Cosmetics Ultra Slim Eyebrow Pencil, and this is in the shade 305. So I got this at the fair too yesterday, or I got this at the fair too. I've been seeing this brand on Instagram for quite some time, and I wanted to try out a few products. Like, I didn't want to like go all ham on their products, so I just decided to get a few things from them to try, and this eyebrow pencil is one of the things I got. So I'm just going to quickly open it up and like show you guys what the eyebrow pencil looks like. So the packaging is like really super cute. Like, packaging is so nice. This is what the packaging looks like. It's all in gold imprint. which is like really nice. So anyways, this is what the pencil itself looks like. So it's like a really slim pencil, and this, like, it's so tiny. So I'm just going to use this brow pencil. Let me just quickly swatch it on the back of my hand so you guys can see. So this is it swatched at the back of my hand. So it's like a really nice dark brown shade. So I'm just going to quickly do my brows off camera. You guys have seen me do my brows a lot of times, so I'm just going to do it off camera. Then I'm going to come back and tell you what I think about the brow pencil. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so I'm done with my brows. Like, this pencil is so nice. Like, it just, like, because of how tiny the pencil itself is, like, it just gives you that ease when you want to draw like the baby strokes, and but I love, and the shade is just perfect, like, for my skin tone. I really like this pencil. Yeah, so anyways, my brows are done. I'm just going to quickly do one eye off camera, then I'm gonna come back, because honestly I really don't know what I want to do for my eyes. But yeah, I'll do one eye off camera, then I'll come back and we will do the other eye. So yeah, see you guys soon.
Don't tell me it's time to go. Now that we made this far, wandered to broken, never look back to the ocean. Still know you'll meet me at home. When we're lost and out of focus and we don't know where the road is, I still know you'll meet me at home. Meet me at home. When I can't decide and the fear leaves me blind, you always will lead me through. If you need me at the wrong time, throw it all out by the wayside. There's nothing that I wouldn't do. Put it all out in the open. No, we don't have to control it. Put it all out in the open. If it's only for a moment, it's a lifetime of emotions. Put it all out in the open. Don't tell me it's time to go. Too broken, never look back to the ocean. Still know you'll meet me at home. When we're lost and out of focus and we don't know where the road is, still know you'll meet me at home. Meet me at home. Still know you'll meet me at home. Meet me at home. Still know you'll meet me at home. I don't wanna waste time. Well, remember tonight I found something here with you. Running by the roadside, wait up for me. I'd go anywhere that you do. Put it all out in the open. No, we don't have to control it. Put it all out in the open. If it's only for a moment, it's a lifetime of emotion. Put it all out in the open. Don't tell me it's time to go. Now that we made this far, wandered too broken, never look back to the ocean. Still know you'll meet me at home. When we're lost and out of focus and we don't know where the road is,
product that I'm going to be trying. This is the Kilema. Hope I said that right. It's Igbo. Kilema Cosmetics Kiete. I'm trying to pronounce it like an Igbo person. Kiete blusher. So my brother got me, this was like one of the things that my brother got me for my birthday. So this is actually going to be the first time I'm going to be using this blush. So yeah. Oh, it's really pigmented. Okay, let's try. Oh. Has this like shimmer to it, which is quite nice. I like it. And it's like an all natural, like organic product. Like they use all natural products to make their cosmetics. So I've always been wanting to try their products for some time, and I was so happy when my brother like sent these to me. So I really love this blush. Like it's not really like, it's not showing so strongly on my skin against my dark skin, but on a very light person, I'm sure it will pop more. But it's a very pretty blush. All right, let's move on. So to set my face, another new product I'm going to be using, this is the OA Cosmetics Makeup Fixing Mist. So I also got this at the fair too. So this is going to be my first time trying it. So yeah, let's do it. So this is what it looks like. It has rose water in it, which is like, I always enjoy things that have rose water. They have this sort of calming effect. Not bad.
Still know you'll meet me at home. Meet me at home. When I can't decide and the fear leaves me blind, you always will lead me through. If you need me at the wrong time, throw it all out by the wayside. There's nothing that I wouldn't do. Put it all out in the open. No, we don't have to control it. Put it all out in the open. If it's only for a moment, it's a lifetime of emotions.
So I'm going to be trying this, guys. My daylight has gone kaput. But anyways, I'm going to be trying this lipstick. This is still from Kilema Cosmetics, and this is the shade Itenani. I hope I said that right. let me just. It's a really beautiful. Like it looks reddish on camera, but it kind of looks like, I don't know how to, but it looks reddish, but it's not red. I don't know, but let's try it out. This is my first time trying out this lipstick, so it was also among the gifts that my brother sent to me. So let's do it. It's a very creamy lipstick, and they are handmade in Lagos, so I like it. I think it's a very cute lipstick. So guys, I'm just gonna complete my bottom eye and I will be right back. So the last thing I'm gonna use finally to finish up my makeup, I'm going to be using this Cindy's Creation Cindy's Creation Glow Mist. So I'm going to be spritzing that on my face and on my body. So I just bought this from Cindy's Creation, and yeah, this is my first time trying it out. Oh, it smells nice. I love the smell. It smells so good.
I can't decide, and the fear leaves me blind. You always will lead me through. If you need me at the wrong time, throw it all out by the wayside. There's nothing that